In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a TPMS sensor into your wheel. For this procedure, you'll have to have the tire off of your rim, find your spot for the valve stem, take the cap off of the valve stem. I'm going to put a little bit of lube around the valve stem so it'll pull through easier. Put the valve through the hole, and using a valve stem tool, we're going to pull it through. Make sure that it is fully seated. If you have an aluminum type stem, there will be a nut on top that you'll screw off, and then you'll be able to pull the stem backwards, install the cap. All you have to do now is get the TPMS sensor programmed to your car, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.